If you're new to Temu, here's the biggest mistake you can make: shopping before activating the right coupon code. Seriously, that one mistake alone can completely kill the better deals and free gift rewards. And I didn't realize that until I tested a bunch of random codes myself. At first, I thought all Temu codes were basically the same. Tiny discount here, small coupon there, nothing special. But then I tried the code on screen before browsing anything, and the app instantly felt different. Suddenly I started getting bigger coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus rewards, and the free gift section finally activated properly. That's when I realized this is how people are unlocking the better deals. So if you're a beginner, here's the walkthrough I wish someone gave me earlier. First, don't open Temu and immediately start shopping. Instead, enter through the promotion first and activate the code on screen immediately. That part matters way more than people think, because the second I activated this code, the app refreshed and started pushing stronger offers almost instantly, not just normal discounts either. I'm talking stacked coupons and reward offers that literally weren't there before. After that, then start browsing. And this is where the free gift feature usually starts becoming visible. You'll start seeing reward offers, bonus discounts, bundle deals, and free gift progress sections appearing together. Now here's another thing beginners get wrong. They wait until checkout to use a code. Way too late. By then, the app already decided what type of offers you're getting. That's why activating the code early changes everything. And honestly, the code on screen was the first one I tested that actually made the app feel upgraded instead of random. I even compared it against random codes from other videos. The difference was obvious immediately. Weaker discounts, fewer rewards, almost no stacked offers. Now let's keep this real. Does this guarantee massive rewards instantly? No. Can offers still vary by account? Definitely. But if you're a beginner, using the code on screen before browsing gives you a way better chance of unlocking stronger coupon deals and free gift rewards right from the start. Try activating the code first and tell me, did your app instantly start showing bigger discounts and free gift offers too?